Hey there, this is Jasmine with WTI. If your aching feet and legs need a good massage, then you need a TISSCARE foot massager with heat. Our family is really happy with this foot massager. We've gotten so much use out of it because it's so versatile and functional. I really appreciated having it after a recent surgery. It provided some comfort and relief I needed during a very challenging time. It's lightweight and easy to move around the house. It's simple to use, and I love the direction change option for a very well-rounded massage. I wanted this originally just for my feet, but when I realized it could massage our legs as well because of the tilt feature, I was really excited, and we use it on almost a daily basis because of our active lifestyle. This is a fantastic gift for someone you love or a nice treat for yourself. Trust me, you need this after a long day. Your feet and legs will thank you, and that is my point of view.